How are we teaching people that killing is wrong by killing?
Good evening and thanks for joining us. In just a few weeks, federal executions of death row inmates will start again right here in Terre Haute. The National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, or NAACP, held a public meeting tonight to discuss how this will affect the city.
News 10's Sarah Lehman was at that meeting tonight. In tonight's top story, she joins us now with what others in the community are saying about the issue.
Patrice Rondrell, tonight's meeting talked a little bit about the facts of death row inmates and their executions, but it mostly focused on how this would impact you living right here in Terre Haute.
What are we doing to the people that live in Terre Haute and asking them to take on the burden of becoming the execution capital of the country?
It's been more than 16 years since the last federal execution took place. Now, in just a few weeks, multiple will take place right here in Terre Haute.
Here, the whole world's going to have a spotlight on Terre Haute. This first execution.
Abe Bonowitz is the co-director of Death Penalty Action. He's working closely with the Terre Haute death penalty resistance leading up to these executions. One of their biggest concerns is how can they make sure people aren't being traumatized over this, whether that's the prison workers, family members, or even small children who might not understand.
Really, each family is going to have to grapple with, what's the example that's being set, and do we feel like this is an appropriate use of our tax dollars? Is this helping us? Is it making us any safer? Or is it creating an impression that violence is an appropriate response to violence?
Bonowitz says he wants to help people have the conversation about this without sparking more violence. Attorney General William Barr says they're bringing back executions because they owe it to the victims and their families to fulfill this sentencing. For now, reporting live in the newsroom, I'm Sarah Lehman, News 10. Back to you.